ki ken hun pen mit put na Meghalaya bat Assam balatip kumki regional committee hakas ni sa jan kelayo ban jurib hadu pratli ki jaka khapo ki badon hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam ye ke ken hun na Meghalaya dalam khmat da u sambut menteri rangba ka jala uba Preston Tensong harengkat ki dikhot ka committee bakan thup ye kinong mi khmat jong ka thain kat bana Assam pat layelam da Piyush Hazarika menteri sarkar ka sarkar Assam harengkat ka committee kentup ya u MLA jong ka thain hakani gesngi ki shnong ki blalik ban jurib ki kentup ya ka shnong mauyong barapathar pilangkata A bat B mai khuli pathar khushi paham kensho bat kentup ya ka khanapara
Meghalaya, I'm so thankful to the Honorable Minister, the Government of Assam, because we are all aware that recently the decision was taken between both the Chief Minister, Assam and Meghalaya, that those area of differences that we have all along the interstate border between Assam and Meghalaya, we need to go on the ground, we need to physically do the inspection. So I'm so happy to tell you today, we were able to cover at least six to seven places. 6 to 7 places, which is known as, one is Pilangkata cluster and number 2 is Khanapara cluster. So both these clusters we already visited along with the Honorable Minister. So on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya, I'm so thankful to him. Please understand one thing, this is our inspection. This is only our inspection, both sides. We hear also some views from the local residents of those places, but ultimately this will be taken it up with the highest authority of both the states, means between the Chief Minister of Assam and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya very soon, where we have to do. And the second phase, I think most likely within this month. The name of the place is Baklapara. I think within this month again we will undertake the inspection, physical inspection to the remaining areas which is already agreed between the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam level of the Chief Minister. So I would like to request
we have listened the people of the both of the state. Meghalaya people also have said and Assam people also have said. But decision will be taken by our honorable chief ministers in high-level meetings. I will submit a report that this is our not total visit. We have to do another round. So doing both the round, we'll submit our report. Accordingly, our chief ministers will take decision.